We're doing like a quick little unboxing and whatnot. This so it was proper raining, which is also why I'm not doing like a RC video at all right now. So it was proper raining whenever I got it out the mailbox. Whenever I was running the eye candy just kind of came out the bag with everything else. So we're gonna start with this because I'm gonna take the actual glasses out of the bag here. I mean, it feels like any other plastic thing here. So first things first, we will open these up. Normally there's like a little tab. Peel it open. All right. All right. Throw that out. Oh, that smells good. Almost tastes just like gummy vitamins. They got a good taste to them. Kind of orangish, like citrusy. All right, so that's the serving size. I guess it's 2, huh? Because the serving size is 2, so I'm guessing that they're expecting you to eat 2. Let's see. Yeah, we'll do 2 today. But I see serving size as 2 gummies. 30 days worth. Sounds about right. Good flavor. Definitely good flavor. Alright, it tastes good. Nice little regular gummies. Just taste like regular vitamins and stuff, kind of citrusy and whatnot. So those are good. We'll see if they help. Got the box. Got the thing from Brian here. A couple of codes and whatnot. Is that for advanced? Is this advanced.gg? Got a couple promo things. I'll go through those in a second. Dear fellow gamer, first and foremost, thank you for your purchase. You have made the wise decision to invest in your eyes. Yes, I have. They've been burning like hell. What you may not realize is that this label has a typographical error that could make it as valuable as an off-centered Pokemon card one day. I did notice that it's actually not off-centered. Like, it's kind of tilted. We want to be upfront and own the misspelling of the word lutein on the bottle of the front and back of small batch of bottles. We decided that since a misspelling does not impact performance, it was time to launch eye candy and get it into the hands of fellow gamers that care for their eye health. Yeah, I mean, this thing is actually like off center. Whenever you look at the page itself, like the text itself is actually off center. Oh, there's more stuff on the back too. That was kind of funny that they talk about off-centered Pokemon cards and it's actually off-centered on the page. What's important is that you're giving your eyes vital nutrients, and we wouldn't want to delay that important step toward long-lasting vision. It's kind of like a little funny aftertaste. So maybe just some water to wash it through, and it should be good. Kind of like a... Not bad, though. It's just an aftertaste. Something that's kind of lingering. Not bad, though. Just a little water to probably wash it straight back. Not only does eye candy contain the authentic, clinically proven ingredient lutein, but it also passed all of our strict quality and compliances tests. We have included the quality report on the back for you to review. Thank you for being on this journey with us. Your eyes will thank you. Sincerely, Brian Reedy. That's pretty cool. So they're acknowledging where the small mistake was, and it was nothing to impact the actual product itself. Product name eye candy. This is certificate of analysis. It has all the different breakdowns. Yeah, it tastes orange apple. Okay, so it's a little apple probably on the aftertaste. Definitely orangish on the initial. Like that citrus really takes hold. Keep package tightly closed and store in a cool, dry place. It won't stay far from my desk or up where I keep like my allergy medicine and stuff. So, all right. So that's that. We'll get to the actual box itself in a second, which is actually a little open. Protection inside and out. Subscribe and save 10%. Okay. I think that's just a regular little promo thing. 20% off your next purchase. Thank you, 20. Oh, okay, sweet. So now I can actually go back and get the sun clips and all, like $20 off once I really start using these. World's most advanced gaming supplement. So this is Chill by Advanced GG. 15% off. We might start looking at that. I don't know. My whole I've talked about my personal issues in December of 19, so I'm not gonna get into that now. But we might reevaluate that. All right, the boxes. The box. Play hard, sleep hard. Hell yeah. A little Gamer Advantage sticker. We're gonna. Where can I do this one? Is this a sticker? It looks like a sticker. I'll mess with that later. Come on. Share your experience. Leave a review. Another one. All right, that's all that's in the box. Move on. The box itself is kind of bowed. It's kind of funny. All right, nice little. Ooh, that thing feels nice. Bubble wrap just to kind of help for a little extra secure. Yeah. Gamer Advantage. Nice little. Feels very nice. Nice little silkish bag. Very nice. All right, here we go. Test fit. Here's my liquid glasses. Okay. Take the little sleeves off. I don't notice anything. Oh, these feel nice. I don't notice anything right off. Just kind of making sure nothing was damaged in travel. Just to be on the safe side. Little speck right there. Just dirt. Okay. Cool. All right, so these are the Inferno liquids. Sorry, the Infernos is the one they always advertise in. If you notice, it's got like a little bluish sheen, purplish sheen to it. That's the main reason I got them. So yeah, they don't mess with my vision at all. So that's good. It's just like putting a lens up. I do kind of notice a little bit of a tint change, but it's not like overbearing. They fit nice though. I don't mind them. They're pretty comfortable. Look funny with glasses on though. That's gonna be the funny thing. Seeing me with glasses on. It's just kind of funny. Like you can notice a difference when you put them on. Like not feel a difference, right? But like visually, you can notice like a tint change. Which actually, whenever I look directly at the glasses, they're just clear, right? Not like the Gunner ones where whenever you looked at them, they're crap. Like I could tell, like that's just gonna have a orange tint to everything. But this, it's just kind of funny because whenever I look, or whenever I just do this, you can kind of see it has the same thing, you know, like through a camera and all, and looking at them on the camera, and then looking at them on my face, you can tell. Well, that's probably just reflection. No, these are pretty comfortable. Let's do headset test. I don't see these. I mean, these are like some really clamping headset. This is a really clamping headset. So maybe just, you know, a little adjustment right whenever I put my headset on and all, and now it's good to go. And yeah, should be good. Hopefully this helps because man, my eyes have been burning like a sumbitch. Like it's been rough. So I'm gonna be wearing these on stream, off stream. Anytime I'm at my computer, these will stay at my computer. I don't really do like I'm not a big phone guy. I'm on my phone, but I'm not like big on it. But I'm gonna use them on stream, off stream. Anytime I'm at my computer, I'm gonna use them. So you know, no, I'm not really noticing anything too uncomfortable about them. So they feel pretty good. I just have to. I've never worn glasses in my life, like besides like sunglasses and stuff, and that's while I'm driving 99% of the time. So, like, while I'm playing and stuff, I'm gonna have like the rings and stuff like that. That's not a complaint on the glasses. It's just something from my perspective. So, yeah. I mean, the candy tastes pretty good. You know, it's got like that. Like I said, that aftertaste is still kind of lingering. So, like I said, just maybe I'm gonna go get some water in a little while, and it'll probably wash it away. It's not overbearing. Nothing crazy, but thank you for tuning in, and for you YouTubers, if you like what you're seeing, keep in mind I'm gonna be wearing these on stream on Twitch, and you know, like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications so that way you can see my 30-day review, see if it's actually helped me, and you can reflect on your purchase and see whether or not you actually want these. Everybody else, y'all keep being those lighthouses. All right, y'all have a good day.